In this very short exercise, we're going to talk about how do we remove conditional formattings. Let's say a scenario where I might receive this here worksheet from a colleague, and when I receive it I can see that, oh, there are some conditional formatting that's been applied to this column here, and it looks like there's more than one, like we just did in the last exercise. We applied two separate conditional formatting. Well, there's two types of ways of removing conditional formatting. We can remove conditional formatting from a select cell or groups of cells. You know, maybe I want to remove it from just that cell, or maybe just that cell. Or I can remove them from the entire worksheet. Let's take a look. If we come up here on our Home ribbon tab, we come over to our Styles group, we're going to click the Conditional Formatting drop down. Now down here at the bottom it says Clear Rules, and as you can clearly see here, those are our two ways of removing conditional formatting. We're going to use this one here from the entire sheet. You notice that there's not an option for remove conditional formatting from the entire workbook. It's only one sheet at a time, which is fine. We're going to click this one right here, Clear Rules from Entire Worksheet. And there you have it. Now they're all gone. Shazam! That's all there is to it. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next exercise.